I'm at Walmart right now, and this is what I just did. Install this cabinet with the PC, phone, and printer. All these are connected through internet, sorry, network, and they have to. All these three lines are one for each. I run these wires all the way, three wires in this, which goes above up here, and then runs all the way back here to the other side. To these sides, and they go up in this cabinet. They are patched into the patch panel 19, 20, and 21 port, and you see these three black wires, these three, then there are these three wires are connected into this switch right here. These three wires are connected to this switch. So that's what I just all did today. And I had to use the scissor lift because this is like about 14 feet high ceiling.